You see guys load up the leg press just to move it 2 inches, and then wonder why they're not building any muscle. But if in your 30s and 40s, you can't afford to waste workouts like that. You got work, family, and limited time in the gym. I'll show you how to warm up, set up, and push close to failure safely so every set actually builds muscle instead of just burning time. Let's get into it. So before we actually get into the working sets, we have to do our warm-up set. So I'm gonna work at about 50% of what my first set is gonna be. Doing about 5 reps, just get a good feel for the leg press. And as far as form, just make sure that your toes are pointed out slightly to open up the hips, give you some good depth, and then place your feet about shoulder width apart on the platform in the middle. All right, so now I got the weight loaded up for my first working set, and we'll be doing 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And after each set, we'll be resting for about 2 minutes. We wanna make sure that we're recovered before the next working set. And we'll be working pretty close to failure here, about 1 to 2 reps short of failure. Because this is a leg press machine, this will allow you to work closer to failure without some sort of injury, because all you have to do here is just press. All right. When you get done with your working set, you shouldn't be able to go right back into your next set about 30 seconds later. That means the weight just wasn't heavy enough. That 2-minute rest time, you should need that 2 minutes. So go ahead and rest for that 2 minutes and then go right back into our second working set. Rest for another 2 minutes and then do a third working set. That's how you grow your legs and keep your knees and hips happy in your 30s and 40s. If this was helpful, hit the like button so more men 30 plus see it. And if you want to stay consistent even when you're on the road, check out my hotel room travel workout. No gym, no equipment, just a fast routine to keep you lean and strong while you travel.